Hello everyone, today I'm doing a Leuchtturm 1917 or 1917 size comparison. So currently Leuchtturm makes 6 different sizes with their notebooks, 6.5-ish. They have 2 slight variations on their A4 sizes. I do not own the smallest and the largest size, but I have something here to give you an idea how small and large they are. So I have kind of every size to show you, even if it's not a Leuchtturm notebook, so please forgive me. This video might be a little bit dry because there's going to be a lot of numbers, but I thought some of you might find this interesting. So if this is something that you've been curious about, to see all the sizes compared to each other, then enjoy the video. Alright, so let's get started. The first one is the A7 Mini. So this is not a Leuchtturm, but this is pretty much that size. It is 2.75 inches by 4.5 inches, or 7 centimeters by 11 centimeters, and this is how large this notebook is compared to a standard ballpoint pen or a fountain pen. So it's fairly small, and I have kind of small hands, and it fits easily like in the palm of my hand. So it's pretty small, and you're not going to be able to write a lot in this. It's just for some small quick notes. It's fairly small, even to their like pocket size one. You see how tiny this is. And this is only available as a hardcover. It comes as with 169 pages, planed or ruled. So this is the first one. The second one is the A6, their pocket, as I just said. This one is 3.5 inches by 6 inches, or it is 9 by 15 centimeters. So it's still fairly compact, fits easily in your pocket. It comes as a hardcover with 185 pages, or a soft cover with 121 pages, and you can get it plain, graph, dotted or ruled paper. And they also have a jot book with 60 pages. It's fairly thin, that you can probably use as an insert for like traveler notebook type of covers and stuff. And they also have a sketchbook and a reporter notepad. So this is how tall it is and how large compared to a standard ballpoint pen. Pretty much the same size as my big pen here, or my Pilot Metropolitan, just slightly larger. So still pretty compact. And then the next size, the third one, is the B6, and this one is 5 inches by 7.5 inches, or 12.5 by 19 centimeters. And this one is only available as a soft cover, as you can see, and it comes with 123 pages, lined, dotted, or plain paper. So this is how big it is compared to a ballpoint pen here, and then to the fountain pen. And then I'll show you compared to a standard A5, which is probably their most popular size. You can see how it's just slightly smaller than an A5, so it's a little bit more portable, and it's also lighter than the A5 because it's soft cover, thinner cover, and a lot less pages. So B6. So the fourth one is their A5. That's their standard size. Their medium notebook, I think, is their most popular size, and they have the most variations in their notebooks in that size. So it is 5.75 by 8.25 inches, or 14.5 by 21 centimeters. This one's the hardcover with 151 pages. That's available with plain, ruled, and dotted and graph paper. They also have a soft cover one that I have right here, as you can see. That one has only 121 pages, so it's a lot thinner and lighter. And again, available plain, ruled, dotted, and graph paper. And they also have a jot book with 60 pages, a sketchbook with 96 pages, and thicker paper, and a caddy pad, and then some special edition notebooks, and a bullet journal as well with more bookmarks. Their notebooks now, this is an older one, only has 1 bookmark. Their new notebooks now all have 2 bookmarks, and the bullet journal one has 3 bookmarks. And yeah, there's also several different special edition type notebooks that they have that I'm not going to go into in this video, that you can check out on their website. And all their standard notebooks have 80-gram paper, and then their sketchbooks and their A4 notebooks have, I think the sketchbooks have like 180-gram paper, and the A4s have 100 gram paper, so slightly thicker than their standard notebooks. All right, so that was the A5. And now here we have the B6. This is the composition size. It is 7 inches by 10 inches or 17.8 by 25.4 centimeters. And this one is only available as a soft cover with 121 pages. And I believe it comes plain, ruled, and with dotted paper. Not sure if they have the graph paper in that one as well. So it gives you more writing space than an A4 would, but it's still a little bit more compact than their master, which is huge. So this is the notebook compared to the fountain pen and the ballpoint pen here. And then the last size is the A4 Plus, their master. As I said, I do not own this notebook, but I cut this out for you guys to give you an idea how large it is. It is 8.75 by 12.5 inches or 22.5 by 31.5 centimeters. So it is massive. This is the size compared to the pens. I can't even get this close to the camera, otherwise it wouldn't fit. So this notebook is massive. They have a classic hardcover with 233 pages, and then a master slim, which with 121 pages is also hardcover, and it's available ruled, graph, dotted, and plain paper. And as I said, this has 100 gram paper. That's thicker than they're all on the standard size, which is 80 grams, as I said. Then I also have a sketchbook and an Academy pad that's just A4, just slightly marginally smaller than this, but essentially the same size. And also an A4 jot book with 60 pages. So these are all the sizes. I hope this helps you a little bit in kind of getting an idea of how large all the Leuchtturm notebooks are, and which one might be the best one for you. It really depends on what you're looking for in a notebook. If you need something more portable, then definitely go with a smaller one. And yeah, if you need more writing space, if you do mind maps or drawings and that kind of stuff, or you write a ton, then definitely pick a larger notebook. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. If you've enjoyed this notebook video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching.